How to make your art recognizable by everyone. Practice is a key to make your art stand out. You already know that, but hold on. What kind of practice actually works? Well, today I'm sharing my personal 4-step drawing practice that's helped my art recognizable. It's not complicated, and trust me, it's make a big difference. So what's up everyone? If you are new here, welcome to my channel. We will break this practice into 4 steps. Step 1, facial expression, bringing your character to life. Step 2, body language, avoiding stiff pose. Step 3, putting your character into action. And step 4, my personal trick. Step 1, mastering facial expression. Let's start with expression because nothing gives a character life more than their face. The best way to practice expression is to use a reference, but do not copy them exactly. Instead, adapt the emotion to your character and style. Here is how to do it. Pick one character and draw them with as many expressions as possible. Play around with exaggeration. Try pushing emotions further than your normal would. Do not stress if it does not look perfect. This is practice, not homework, so have fun with it. If one character is not working for you, try another. The goal is to get comfortable expressing emotions through your art. Step 2, body language, avoiding stiff pose. You know what I really hate? The character that look like a mannequin stand stiff with no life. The secret to natural pose is movement. Even the character just standing can have bit emotion in their posture. Here is what helps. Use reference Pinterest, manga, comics, or even movie screenshot. Gesture drawing, do quick rough sketch of different poses. Do not focus on detail, just the movement. Think about personality. How does your character's pose reflect their mood? Even simple standing pose can feel alive if you add a slight movement and height shift. Step 3, putting your character into action. Now come my favorite part, placing your character in a scene. Instead of drawing a floating character, imagine them in the 3D space. Almost like moving them around in your head before sketching. How to do it? Visualize the scene. Where is your character? What's the best camera angle? Try small thumbnail sketches. Draw quick versions from different angles. Use reference if need. Perspective can be tricky, but it gets easier with practice. At first, this might feel weird, but trust me, this will make your drawing feel more dynamic and natural.
Step 4, my personal trick, head and hands. This is my little secret technique that I always use. I call it 8/8. Head in the hands near the face makes expression way stronger.
For example, covering the mouth while laughing make it feel more natural, clenching fists near the face. Intensity and emotion, open hands reaching forward create drama and movement. Try this trick and you will see how much more expressive your characters look. Now it's your turn to practice. Hope this helps you develop your own art style in a way that feels fun and natural. Remember, improving takes time, but the more you enjoy the process, the faster you will grow. Thank you so much for your support. Your likes and comment really means a lot. If this video helps you, do not forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.